It was a great day. We took two of our grandbabies canoeing. Good job turning it.
Okay, now we're good. Let's go. You go on left side, I got right side.
We went out to the middle of Lake Kegonsa, had a great time. What did you think?
Yeah, it was super fun. They were so fun to bring out there. They enjoyed the nature. They enjoyed just the quietness of the lake. And the Lake Kiganza is super shallow, so we could see all the way down, like, what was it, like 2/3 of the way in or something like that. But we were able to see the bottom and see some fish.
Yeah, we saw some actually good sized northern pike. We saw largemouth bass, bluegill, a catfish. There he is. And some intact clams, actually.
Intact clams.
Yeah, so they were.
You heard it here first.
And then we saw a graveyard of clams, so.
Yes.
It was a great day. So we dropped off, Gray had baseball game, so we dropped him off, and Nora came back here. So we had them yesterday afternoon and last night. So it was a great time, busy. So now and I are gonna decompress, just have some time together and eat some of this beautiful food down here. Oh my goodness, so yeah.
There are boats that we can use though.
Where are they?
Over there. This could work. I mean, I'm able to do it on my own. So you and Nora could go there. And then I'll take a smaller one. Like, I could take one of these orange ones. You and Nora take the red big one. I think we have to pick.
So we are on our way back home from Lake Kiganza Beach. Nora learned how to ride a two-wheeler this year, and she went, I'm gonna say she just went on a 2-mile bike ride. Good job, Nora.
I did?
You went 2 miles.
I'm just gonna light the campfire, see what happens.
Yeah.
I already have 10 mosquito bites on my legs.
Okay. Well, we'll get something on them.
Nice.
Well, the good news is we have a big bag full.
Can you tell me where to start?
I thought we had some clippies for here.
I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said.
You can get it, sure.
No, I can't.
Okay, I'll help you.
Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many dogs. But now I need to get some.
You can get it, Opa.
Nevertheless, a caress. So let me give you a part of myself, she said.
Should we go on a nighttime hike? You ready for a nighttime hike? Did it get in your eyes?
Pull up. When it's sunny, sunscreen up, especially the top of his head.
Oh yeah.
Remember to grab his hand when you cross the street. Singing on top of Old Smoky softly, then louder and louder.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away.
So we got the 2 canoes here.
'Cause I promise you this.
I'll push you guys.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight,
Grayson?
if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will
this is fun.
restore
Okay, I'll come it over. I'm gonna push us off.
us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
We got it. Okay.
I got the right side. Just videoing. Oh,
Okay, I'll help. So what do you guys think?
Nice.
What do you think, Gray?
nice.
Should we buy a couple of these?
Hey, Opes.
Hi.
Sweet hat.
I know. Hey, I gotta keep the sun off my head.
Wait, what?
Opa dunked you under the water?
Yeah.
I did? Why is your hair dry?
No, I fell in the water because you were paddling.
Oh, you did. Yeah, she did. She went
Oh,
in,
yeah.
but she saved her head. Everything else, I think, went in. All right, we got smarter, guys. We got Michelle in the back. Gray's stronger, Gray's lighter, so Gray should be in the front. And this little peanut's just going crazy, man. Look at her go. Good job, Nora. Okay, that's where we came from. We are halfway. We're in the middle.
Got it.
Watch your fingers.
Here you go, Gray.
Our canoe's conjugated, guys. Nothing like a good old snack in the middle of the lake. This is beautiful Lake Kegonsa, and it's pretty shallow, guys. These are the fries from last night. We cooked them, but we were so full we never ended up eating them. Kind of brown. We put them in the refrigerator, so we're just gonna reheat these. Oh, beautiful. Hi.
All right.
All right, guys, take care.